State and federal health officials are about to step up testing for COVID-19 across Maine, but those tests aren't the ones we've all come to know. Good evening, everyone. I'm Amanda Hill.
And I'm Pat Callahan. For weeks now, the head of Maine's Center for Disease Control, Dr. Nirav Shah, has been saying that because the Omicron variant is spreading so quickly, individual test results are not giving us a big enough picture fast enough. So, to get the most accurate picture possible, both the Maine and U.S. CDCs are working in tandem to test wastewater in systems across the state for COVID-19. In the coming weeks, the Maine CDC will ask 8 wastewater treatment plants from Portland to Presque Isle to test samples twice a week, at least through June. 8 more will be added in the coming week. Meanwhile, the federal CDC will oversee testing at 7 other facilities, and testing has already begun in Rockland and Boothbay. News Center Maine's David Guildford went to Boothbay today to see how that testing process works.
$400,000 condo sitting here, so we have to be a good neighbor. This is a handmade job. We don't use this to sample with.
Chris Higgins oversees some of Boothbay Harbor's least appreciated water.
This is their just a grab sampler.
But the town's wastewater tells a story.
I can tell you if the region's having a good summer. I can tell you if people are having a bad day. People are creatures of habit, and wastewater doesn't lie.
Boothbay Harbor and more than a dozen water districts have added to Maine's wastewater testing program to find potential COVID-19 outbreaks.
Wanted to know if we had interest in participating in a surveillance study for COVID. Absolutely.
Wastewater testing isn't accurate in determining exactly who has COVID, like a nasal swab, but this test can do something else. It can predict the future.
Individuals, whether they're symptomatic or asymptomatic, meaning do they have symptoms of COVID-19, can potentially shed the virus in their feces about a week before it might come up in the specimen that they were to provide for in their nostril.
Dina Bushman works for the federal CDC and works with Maine's CDC. The increase in wastewater testing is a nationwide initiative, and Mike Abbott with the Maine CDC says after the infamous nasal swabs are a thing of the past, this other non-invasive testing can help warn of flare-ups in years to come.
If it starts to increase again, we can see that happening. We can see where it's happening, and be able to apply those other techniques and recommendations in real time.
In Boothbay Harbor, David Guildford, News Center, Maine.